Hey guys, got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about this new social media that's not really new called Vero or Vero. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Please help me. I need help. So in this video, I'm going to try to cram up as much information as I can, answer the big question, is it worth it? Should I join this right now? Well, first of all, the biggest reason why you should join right now is that after 1 million users, they will no longer have the app for free. Basically, you're gonna have to pay an annual fee to be even part of this thing. So you might want to join up right now. And now for the real reasons. Is it worth it? Is it good? Are you gonna find use out of it? So if you've been using Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, I'm gonna try to compare it quickly to tell you why Vero is better, okay? So Facebook and Instagram, they're owned by the same people. They have algorithms and advertisement. Same thing for Twitter, except for the algorithm part. But let's just listen. Facebook will not show you your feed chronologically. Facebook has an algorithm that will try to show you what they think is better suited for you. That's why all of the pages that you liked a while back, you don't see anything from them. Yeah, that's because you don't actively search for them and go click on their stuff. Facebook just stopped showing them to you altogether, which is horrible, especially if you have a brand or if you're making a living out of being a social media influencer or just personality. Same thing for Instagram. The new 2018 algorithm make it so that they don't show the posts chronologically. They basically show you what they think you would like. So if I load up Instagram right now, the top post that I'm gonna see, the first thing I'm gonna see might be something that was posted 3 days ago. What if I want to know what the people are doing like today? It's really not convenient. And with both those platforms, there is the boosting, basically pay to win. You can pay to have your post shown to more people just by paying. So people with more money will be more famous or will have more interaction on their post. Meanwhile, the little guys are gonna get, I'm not gonna say the word, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna say, yeah, well, but what about Twitter? Well, Twitter is good and all, but Twitter is very specific. You don't count Twitter as the #1 photo sharing platform. That would be Instagram. We're not even gonna talk about Snapchat. If you guys have Snapchat and you saw the new update, we're not even gonna talk about it, okay? Snapchat, you're dead to me. Okay, so what is it that Vero does differently? Well, all of those things that I cited, basically Vero will show you all the posts chronologically. First of all, you post something, it's going to be posted, and all of your followers will be able to see it. Unlike Facebook or Instagram, where they're trying to hide stuff because you didn't pay, because you don't interact enough, because the bot isn't really sure what you're posting. None of that. If you post, every single followers, every single contact that you have will see your post at the time that you posted it. And right now, only Twitter is kind of letting us do that, which is crazy. I need to make a whole video about ranting about social media in general, but this is already a good reason. Now, second reason would be no advertisement. Of course, you know, I guess we're gonna have to talk about Snapchat. Snapchat right now with the new update is that people who follow you back will be on the left thing. When you swipe from left to right, you will see left panel with your contacts, and people that don't follow you back, basically famous people that you follow on Snapchat, will be on the right with the new merge with the discovery thing. And the thing is, basically, if you want to follow a certain celebrity, well, you're gonna watch them, and then 2 minutes later you're gonna click and it's gonna be a BuzzFeed article. It's gonna be, oh, I'm cursing, it's gonna be Kevin Hart's Snapchat, it's gonna be Kim Kardashian's snap, people you don't even follow, people you don't care about. And then there's gonna be news articles, there's gonna be McDonald's commercials. Why am I swearing? Anyways, Vero promises that there will be none of that. They don't even like to be called a social media platform. They just like social platform. It was a platform that was made for people to share like a network and share their passion with each other without having businesses and money interfere with all of that. Talking about money, the way that they promise to keep this going on, because of course that doesn't sound very lucrative if you're a business to do something like that, offer all that good stuff for free. No, the first 1 million people to join Vero right now are gonna benefit from Vero for free for life. Okay, if you made your account right now, before the 1 million, you're good. You're set for life. You won't ever have to pay. The other people, however, will have to pay a small annual fee. We have no idea of like how many, but they do say a small annual fee. I wonder how much it's gonna be, but at the same time, I don't really care. I already have an account, okay? So I'm not gonna say much. I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna make more videos. Maybe if you guys like those types of videos and you wanna know more about Vero, let me know in the comment section below. I could make tutorials on how to use Vero, how to become famous on Vero, because it's now or never. If you ever wanted to be like influencer status and stuff like that, well, this is brand new. There's not a lot of people on it. This is your ticket. Although I really don't think it's gonna be centered around influencers that brands are gonna come in. Like, they're really trying to keep the whole marketing and money out of it. So give or take, it's a very good place to update your community on what you're doing, because everything you post will be shown to your following, which is supposed to be standard, but it's not. So right now only Vero is doing that. So yeah, if you're if you want to be an online personality, you better have a Vero. There you go. That's why I think Vero is worth it. So guys, if you want to download Vero, I'm gonna put some links in the comment. Well, not in the comment, but I'm gonna put them mostly in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Gael Level out.